Dr. H.R. Nagendra, the scientist yogi, is the founder and chancellor of Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhan Sansthan, known as S. Vyasa Yoga University, Bangalore. He has been the guiding force behind the Vyasa movement in India and abroad. On the New Year's Day of 1943, arose a new bright sun in the horizon of Bangalore to shed a new light of ancient yoga with the modern scientific explanation. On 1st January 1943, Honga Sandra Rama Rao Nagendra was born. After graduation, Dr. Nagendra did his masters in mechanical engineering in 1965, and within 3 years, he did PhD in 1968 from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, where he served as faculty in the Department of Mechanical Engineering after his doctorate. In 1970, he went to Canada as postdoctoral research fellow in the University of British Columbia. Next year, in 1971, he joined NASA Marshall Space Flight Center, USA as postdoctoral research associate. In 1972, he moved to the Engineering Science Laboratory, Harvard University, USA as a consultant. Later, he served as visiting staff at the Imperial College of Science and Technology, London. Shri Eknath Ranade, founder of Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari, had a great influence on Dr. Nagendra. In response to his call, Dr. Nagendra left a very promising and highly lucrative career abroad and came back to India to serve his motherland, especially in the field of yoga research. In 1975, he joined Vivekananda Kendra, a service mission, as a full-time worker. He was the director of training center at Vivekanandapuram in Kanyakumari. Between 1993 and 2000, he was All India Vice President of Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari. Since 1986, he has been the secretary of Vivekananda Kendra Yoga Research Foundation, Bangalore, and the director of Indian Yoga Institute, Prashanti Kutiram, Bangalore. In 1991, Vyasa was affiliated by Bangalore University, Mysore University, Mangalore University, Rajiv Gandhi University, and later by Hindu University of USA to promote PhD in yoga. Under the dynamic and noble leadership of Dr. Nagendra, fondly called Guruji, S. Vyasa at Prashanti Kutiram, Bangalore, is translating the vision of Swami Vivekananda to combine the best of East with the best of West by combining modern scientific research to examine the efficacy of yoga to face the challenges of modern era. Journey of Dr. H.R. Nagendra from NASA to Vyasa is deeply rooted in the ancient Indian thought. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet.